Let's solve the first sum in parabola.
Now we are going to find the solution for the first sum parabola. What are the informations available in this parabola? We are having focus 2 comma minus 3, and one more information available in this question, which is directrix. Directrix is 2y minus 3 equal to 0. These are the two informations available in the question. We know that the focus is 2 comma minus 3 and the directrix is 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Our aim is to find out the equation of the parabola using these two informations. Okay. Now we will try to draw the diagram with the help of these informations. Okay. Draw x-axis and y-axis and plot the focus. What is focus? 2 comma minus 3. Where is 2 comma minus 3? We know that here the x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is minus 3. If x coordinate is plus, y coordinate is minus, then we know that it is going to be lies on the fourth quadrant. Hence I am going to mark the focus in the fourth quadrant. X axis 2, y axis minus 3. Therefore the point is here 2 comma minus 3. This is the focus. Next we are going to draw the line directrix. Okay. To draw this line, I am going to change the equation of the directrix conveniently. 2y equal to this minus 3 goes on other side, it is going to become plus 3. Now y equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Now we got the equation y equal to constant. We know that if the equation is y equal to constant, that line is going to be parallel to x-axis passing through 3 by 2. Okay, let us assume that this is 3 by 2 on y-axis. Okay, now we know that y equal to 3 by 2 is a line parallel to x-axis going to be passing through 3 by 2. Now we got the directrix. We know that according to the standard equation of the parabola, standard equation of the parabola, the directrix is going to be behind the parabola and the focus is going to be like inside the parabola. Therefore the possible parabola is like this. See? Now we got the parabola. Let us assume that you have any point x1, y1 on this parabola. This variable point is going to be traced this parabola. Okay. Our aim is to find out the equation of the parabola. We know that the focus is S and any point on the parabola is P. Now, what is the condition to find out the equation of the parabola? We know that SP by PM equal to 1. This is the condition to find out the equation of the parabola. Now I am going to bring this PM that side. SP equal to PM. What is PM? PM is the perpendicular line drawn from P to the directrix. This line is called PM. What is SP? The distance between the 2 points 2 comma minus 3 and x1 comma y1. This is called SP. Okay. Now we know that how is it possible to find out the distance SP? Okay. SP is the distance between the given 2 points 2 comma minus 3 and x1 comma y1. What is the formula to find out the distance between the given 2 points? It's nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is a formula used to find out the distance between the 2 points S and P. Next, our aim is to find out the distance PM. PM is the perpendicular distance from the point P to the directrix. What is the equation of the directrix? We know that the equation of the directrix is 2y minus 3 equal to 0. How is it possible to find out the distance, perpendicular distance of a line from the point? Let us assume that this line is AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. And let us assume that the given point is x1, y1. Our aim is to find out the perpendicular distance from the point x1, y1 to the line. We know that there is a formula to find out the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance D equal to, instead of x you substitute the point x1. Instead of y we are going to be substitute y1. Therefore ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of coefficient of x square a square plus coefficient of y square b square. This is the formula used to find out the perpendicular distance from the given point to the given line. Okay. Now what is the point here? x1 v1. What is the line here? 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Then how is it possible to find out the distance here? I am going to use this formula. How is it possible to find out this distance? Instead of x we are going to be substitute x1. Here no x term. Therefore instead of y we are going to be substitute y1. 2y1 minus 3 by root of coefficient of x is nothing, 0 0 square plus coefficient of y is 2 2 square. This is nothing but Pm. Now we know how is it possible to find out the perpendicular distance from the point P to the directrix Pm. Now we know that to find out the distance between S and P we are going to use this formula. Now I am going to substitute these two values here.